What's happening, fitness warriors? Sir K here. Today I'll be giving you a routine that only utilizes a chair. That's right. All you need for this routine is a single chair. Let's get right into it. Each exercise is going to be 1 minute. I have my timer here on the floor. Let's get started. Halfway there, 30 seconds, keep it going. The form I'm using right now, I'm not sitting all the way back, just so it can engage my core more. If you feel like you have to sit all the way back, do so. Work your way up to this. 5 seconds. Moving on to the next exercise. Working those hip flexors, raising the knees. Try to keep a good posture. Not sitting all the way back. If you can, if you need to sit all the way back, do so. Track your breathing. You're doing fine. Keep it going. Keep that good posture, chest up, shoulders back, raise those knees. 30 seconds. 20 seconds. This is really going to help for getting in and out of the car. If you find that to be a problem, this will be the problem solver. Really feeling it right in those thighs. Hip flexors. All right, so we're going to be doing a modification of that. This is going to be working on the rotators of the hip. Stepping out, stepping in, stepping out, stepping in. Again, good posture, chest up, shoulders back. Tap out, tap in, other leg. "30 seconds, halfway there. "10 seconds. You're doing fine. Keep it going. All right, moving on. This one I do want you to try to sit all the way back, extend the legs. Now the lower back, though you said small of the back, that's touching the back of the seat for me, but my upper back is still chest up, shoulders back, keeping the core engaged. If you need to sit all the way back, do so and work your way up to this form. What we're really trying to do is just extend the legs, straighten them out in midair, all the way straight, as straight as you can. You should feel a real good squeeze in the quad, right? Halfway there, 30 seconds. When you are doing this, you don't want the knees to drop when you do extend. You want to try to keep the knees exactly where they are in midair and extend those legs. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. And moving right along. All right, so moving on to the calves. So with this one, either you could be sitting up, holding on to the chair, or just to modify to make it a little bit harder, resting your elbows on your forearms, and then pressing from there. Really squeezing those calves, lifting the heels off the floor, pressing with the ball of the foot. Usually people, when they do start doing this exercise, they usually get like cramps because tightness in the body starts from the ground up. So it usually starts under the foot, into the calves, and then into the quads, hamstrings, things like that. So don't be surprised if it feels like it's going to cramp up. That's something we do have to try to work through just so we can get more blood flow through that muscle. Calves are number one tight muscles. Time, and we're standing up. Moving on to the hamstrings, the back of the leg, holding on to the chair, the back of it, and squeezing. Again, trying to keep a good, nice posture. Chest up, shoulders back, core engaged. Really trying to squeeze those hamstrings. Trying to pull your leg, or your calf to the back of your leg. 30 seconds. Ten seconds. And time. So usually that would be it, but a more advanced exercise to help strengthen that core would also be a chair plank. So with this, you're going to engage your core, placing your elbows directly under your shoulders on top of the chair. Either have the chair up against the wall or some other stable surface, or if you feel like you can, just have it in the middle of the room. And really trying to draw that belly button in when you are holding this position. Then try to hold it for 30 seconds. If you only can do it for 10 seconds or 15 seconds or 20 seconds, do so. Again, it's all about progression. We're going to work our way up to better. We're not trying to make it perfect today. In time. So that was a great workout. Try it out. Let me know how it goes. Inbox me for more. Stay tuned. There you have it, a full routine, only using one chair to really start to build up your baseline abilities. This routine is geared towards those who are post-surgery, post-physical therapy, and those who are just wanting to start off their active lifestyle, you could say. So continue striving towards your goals, continue achieving your current goals, and continue conquering the ultimate goal of optimal fitness. Let's make it happen. Like and subscribe. I'll be hitting you back up with some more.